They don't call it the land of fire and ice for nothing. There's the fire, and here's the ice. We're trying Icelandic pancakes. Is it good?
Very good. The pancakes nice and thin.
Yeah, it's good. Is there like cinnamon and sugar in that?
Yeah, I think so.
That's really good. We're back at Seljalandfoss today. We're going to find the secret volcano. The secret waterfall. The secret waterfall. It's a lot colder and windier today. We found it. Oh, really?
Yeah.
What does it taste like?
Tastes like it's straight from a glacier.
This glacier has featured in many films, and it also features a lot in the Game of Thrones series. This is, for example, where Jon meets Ygritte.
We're on our tour to go to the glacier. The
Jokulsarlon.
Yeah, that's it. Still can't pronounce anything in this country. We're at the Diamond Beach. It is so cool and pretty. Grandma, what do you think of the icebergs?
I think they're cool. Cold is the word for it.
Why don't you stick your tongue on one of them?
Oh, no. I did that once when I was little with that fudgesicle. And it stuck to my...
And she hasn't recovered since.
No, you're right.
That's our ride. We're on the boat.
I'm going to tell you two facts about this lagoon. So if you go back in time in the year 1930, this lagoon was covered with glacier all around to the bridge. Today the distance from the bridge to the edge is about 8 kilometers.
The water is 50% saltwater and 50% fresh water, so it melts very quickly.
I usually say to people I'm a Viking woman.
It kind of looks like a Hershey Kiss, doesn't it? All I can think of right now is a little squirrel pulling the nut out of the ice. Scrat, little scrat. Little scrat. moment we've been waiting for, touching the glacier water. Oh my god, it's like that ice cube. No wonder Jack froze to death. I mean, jeez, it was freezing.
No wonder Rose didn't let him on the door. I wouldn't let him on the door.
Get out of here, Jack. Jack from the Titanic. Jack, I'll never let go.
This is too cold. I wouldn't let anyone on the door.
That one, baby.
Explain to me how this is the scene from the Game of Thrones.
This is from Game of Thrones, season 2 and 3, where Jon Snow gets captured and he finds Ygritte and they kiss on top of the mountain. It's so cute. They also have sex in a cave.
The highest peak in Iceland, right here.
We're about to stop in Vik for dinner, and we learned a fun fact about Vik, where if you go straight down from Vik, you won't hit land until Antarctica.